fisherman's art, his skill he maintains. With patience and wisdom, he casts his line. A dance with nature, so divine. The fish below, their color bright, in shimmering grace, a mesmerizing sight. With steady hands and the heart so true, fishing arts, we salute you. In waters deep with southern frames, the fisherman's art